Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Thank you for clicking this video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so now. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Also, please share this channel with your friends, and I really need to scale it up. So please share this video with your friends, and please tell your friends about this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the popular Nigerian snack called meat pie. It's actually a pie that is made with minced meat as filling and also carrots and potatoes. Before we go ahead to the actual recipe, let's start with the list of ingredients. So let's start with making the filling. Next, you make the meat pie pastry. So now you add your margarine, and as a rule of thumb, if you want your meat pie to be flaky, you add lots of margarine, and so it really depends on you on between finding a balance between flakiness and feed farm. So whatever works for you, just go for it. And so you just continue to add your margarine, but for the exact quantity of margarine I used, you can find that at the start of this video. Now I'm going to work my dough and knead adequately. I'm going to be placing it on a clean flat surface, and I'm going to be kneading accordingly. So just continue to knead and ensure that the dough does not stick to your palm. And that's once it stops sticking to your palm, then you know that your dough is ready for rolling. Next, I'm going to be portioning my dough into small sizes, and this makes rolling easier for me. When I do it in small bits, it's easier for me to roll and section out the shape of the meat pie I want. Now it's time to work those muscles. Just roll out each small size into a flat surface. I prefer my pastry to be thin. I don't like those thick outer layer. So I try as much as possible to flatten out and roll it out as thin as possible. I don't want to be eating flour. I want to eat meat pie, right? So I like the pastry to be thin and not thick. Next, I'm going to be using my makeshift pot cover to section out the round shape for the meat pie. And you can use the meat pie maker as well. But I don't have a meat pie maker right now, so I'm using my pot cover.